Hello guys, I promised to make a video of how I made the last wafer paper flowers I used, and here it is. Here are some tools that you'll be needing: rose petal cutters, a pair of scissors, a florist wire gauge 22, wafer paper, gold foil sheet or gold leaf, some water and a brush, and a dowel rod cutter. I picked out the sizes I wanted out of the cutter set, and I compressed each cutter to give me like an orchid shape, because that is the look I'll be going for in the petals of the flowers I am making. Then I'm going to emboss the shape of the cutter on the wafer paper using the sharp part of the cutter set, and I'll be using 3 petals per flower, so I'm going to cut out 3 petals of each size that I chose. After embossing, the lines should be visible on the wafer paper just like this, so it will be easy for you to trace out and get the shape correctly. After embossing the wafer paper into the number of petals that I need, I'm going to start tracing out the petals with my scissors. This is what a petal of the flower looks like after tracing it out, and these are all the petals that I've traced out. We are not going to trash the excess of the wafer papers because we are going to be using them for this flower. I'm going to make a cut on each petal to curve it and make it look more realistic. Using a damp brush, I'm going to damp the left side of the petal and cross the right side over it just like this to curve the petal and make it look more realistic. Kindly note that I said a damp brush, not a wet brush. So when you wet your brush with water, kindly remove the excess water in it before using it on your wafer paper. I picked 3 petals of each size and damped a little beneath the right side of each petal and stuck the second petal to it. And then I did the same to the second petal and stuck the 3rd petal to it, just like I did here. Using a dowel rod cutter, I cut my florist wire into 4. Then I wet my hands a little bit with water, picked up some wafer paper, melted it slightly and attached it to the florist wire that I had cut to form the flower bud. Using some foil sheets, I'm going to wrap the buds of the flowers to give it the gold look that I am going for. Again, using the damp brush, I damped the center of the flower and attached the flower bud to it, and voila! Our flower is ready to be used. Let me know if you found this helpful, and on a scale of 1 to 10, tell me in the comments how easy you think it is. Don't forget to like, repost, and share this video to somebody who might need it, and also tag me when you try it out. Okay, bye.